Gusto mo ba mag-avail ng aming course pero kailangan pang pag-ipunan? What if sabihin ko sa'yo na meron ngayong way for you to avail our course habang nag-iipon? Good news because Amaze Nation partnered with BillEase to make our courses affordable to more people. Imagine learning that high-income skill with minimum investment. Kaya let's get straight to the point and see how you can take advantage of BillEase. So ano nga ba ang BillEase? BillEase is a platform that allows you to convert yung babayaran mo into installment. So imbes na one-time payment, magiging siyang buy now, pay later. BillEase makes paying your bills with ease at mapapabilis ang pag-abot sa mga dating pinapangarap mo lang. So kaya siya BillEase kasi ease of paying bills at bilis kasi mapapabilis yung gusto mong makuha. O di ba? Ganda ng wordplay. Because of these, BillEase is really a game changer for those who will be able to take advantage of it. So ngayon, paano nga ba magamit itong BillEase? So simple lang, kailangan lang nating mag-register sa kanilang platform. So sa next part of this video, I'll be walking you through kung paano mag-register at yung step-by-step process para magamit nyo na ang BillEase with our Amaze Nation courses.
In order to take advantage of this partnership between BillEase and Amaze Nation, first step is kailangan mo muna mag-create ng account sa BillEase. So first is you will go to billease.ph, yung kanilang website. So BILLEASE.ph as you are seeing in my screen. So kapag in-enter nyo na to, makakarating kayo sa screen na to showing yung dashboard niya. So meron ditong why BillEase, how it works, shops, and so on. So you can go around, have a look kung ano man yung ino-offer ni BillEase, how it works, bakit nyo pagkakatiwalaan si BillEase, at ano yung pwede niyang maitulong sa inyo. So again, BillEase is a platform that offers installment opportunities for purchases na hindi nyo kayang bayaran for now. So kaya makikita nyo dito, meron kang order value, kung magkano yung down payment, and then nandito rin yung installment kung gaano katagal mo siyang babayaran. So again, the longer the period na babayaran mo siya, the higher yung absolute value ng interest na babayaran mo. Pero again, ang mangyayari naman doon is bababa yung magiging monthly mo. So it will all depend sa kung ano yung capacity mo now at kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve. So here, ang intention for this video is to run through kung paano ba mag-sign up sa BillEase. So pag nag-sign up tayo, dalawang options natin. First is through the app. So kaya makikita nyo dito sa screen, meron kang get it on Google Play, tsaka available on the App Store. So both for Android and iOS, available yung BillEase. And for this website naman, yung second step, pwede ka ring mag-sign up. So dito, hindi po tayo sa login pupunta tayo sa apply now. Kasi yung login is just for those who already set up their account with BillEase, yung nakapag-create na. Pero for this particular video, ang gagawin natin is i-run through ko sa inyo paano mag-sign up, kaya ang pipindutin natin is apply now. So, bago ko i-click yan, I'll just run through dito sa baba kung ano man yung meron sa website na to. So, nandito yung mga partners din, BillEase like Lazada, Agoda, Samsung, Philippine Airlines, and so on. And you can just read through here why BillEase, ano ba yung ino-offer nila, how it works, etc. So when you click apply now, it will ask for email address and mobile number. So dapat meron kayong active email na na-access nyo and also mobile number na may signal at na-access nyo. Kasi after inputting here yung email and mobile, i-click nyo yung I have read and agree to the privacy policy and click sign up, magsasend yan ng OTP, one-time password, both to your email and to your mobile number. So I'll just show to you an example of one-time password. So ito yung sinend sa akin before. Pero again, ano na kasi to, hindi nyo siya magagamit kasi nga one-time password siya. So kaya it's safe for me to show it to you. And then i-enter nyo lang siya doon sa next screen na magpa-pop here. So hindi ko na siya i-enter kasi nakagawa na ako ng account. Pero what will happen is upon entering it, makakagawa na kayo ng BillEase account. So after entering your one-time password, it will prompt this. Your account is created. Activate your BillEase account by providing these. So ang i-click nyo dyan is activate account. So when you click activate account, magkakaroon ng parang 5 steps or 5 fields that you need to complete. So yung first field will be tell us about yourself. So makikita nyo dito, gender, name, date of birth, marital status, nationality. So you just fill it up with your information. And again, hindi ko na siya i-fill up. So kaya mga screenshots na lang to kasi I've already signed up with BillEase. So papakita ko lang sa inyo what to expect para at least ma-prepare nyo na rin if ever needed, especially yung IDs and documents. Next would be your residential address. So yung address, province, city, postal code or zip code. And then meron din ditong question na do you work from home? Kasi kailangan yung complete office address if ever. Next, family or character references. So, word of caution lang for the character references. Make sure na i-inform niyo muna yung mga ilalagay niyo dito para hindi sila magulat just in case BillEase communicates with them. Pero ako, from my experience, wala pa namang kinontak si BillEase dun sa mga nilagay ko dito. Pero yan, just to be on the safe side para hindi sila magulat, i-inform niyo sila. So, family, colleague or friend, and then yung relationship, and then their numbers. So, dito sinasabi ni Bill is, we may contact the references you provide to evaluate of your credit application for loan collection purposes, for example, if we cannot reach you. So, kasi dahil nga ang BillEase is a platform that loans money, so syempre kailangan rin nilang sumingil. So, when the time comes na hindi kayo makontak at nagtago, for example, at hindi masingil, so yung character references nyo yung may inform about your loan. So, kaya make sure na hindi rin tayo magme-miss doon sa mga loan payments natin if we will choose to take advantage of BillEase with this buy now, pay later scheme. Next would be your ID. So, sa next slide, papakita niya kung ano yung mga valid IDs that are available na pwede niyong ilagay dito. Ito, meron tayong ACR, Alien Certificate of Registration, driver's license, NBI clearance, national ID, passport, etc. So marami namang choices dyan. So if wala pa kayong ID, so make sure that you apply for one para meron kayong magamit for this. Pero for sure naman, for most, meron kayong ID. So ready nyo lang yung ID nyo, tapos ilagay niyo yung ID number here, and then magkaroon rin ng photo of that ID. So meron tayong guideline from BillEase, show all four corners, not be covered in any way, and not be blurry. Pag okay na, na-upload na yung photo na ID, nalagay na yung ID type and ID number, then click this, yung yes, looks good. After that, BillEase will be reviewing your ID for 5 minutes. Pero from my experience, hindi naman siya umabot ng 5 minutes. Mga 2 to 3 minutes lang. Okay na siya. Tapos mapupunta na kayo doon sa next field, which will be taking your selfie. Kasi BillEase also wants to make sure na yung ID na sinubmit nyo ay kayo talaga. So okay lang siguro kung medyo tumaba or medyo pumayat or medyo nag-iba, nag-glow up or nag-glow down. Okay lang. Basta ang importante is kayo, yung ID na in-upload nyo. So for the selfie, meron din tayo dyan mga guidelines. So your face is at the center. All parts of your face are visible. There is enough light and photo is not blurry. So i-click nyo lang tong take a selfie and then it will take a snapshot of your face now. And then after that, they will also review at ima-match nila yan doon sa ID na sinubmit nyo. So again, these are important steps for BillEase to ensure na yung nagsa-sign up doon sa mga sa platform nila is also filtered na may proper ID and also hindi ginagamit ng ibang tao yung ID nila. So kumbaga, walang fake identity. So after that, after reviewing your selfie, then we will go to your income. So dito sa tell us about your income, meron tayong 4 options. So pwedeng employment if you're employed, remittance if you're receiving remittances from your loved ones from abroad, freelance if you're a freelancer, whatever industry it may be, and business if you own or operate a business. Isa-isahin natin for employment. If you're employed, ito yung hingin nilang details. So employer, industry, job title, gross monthly income, payout frequency. So it's important for BillEase to ask yung gross monthly income because this will give them confidence of your ability to pay back. Kasi as I shared, di ba, BillEase is a platform that loans money. So, pinahiram tayo ng pera ng BillEase. So syempre, they also need some sort of security na mababayaran sila. So kaya ina-assess nila yung capacity to pay ng mga nag-a-apply sa kanila. So don't worry, covered naman ng data privacy yung BillEase. So pwede nyo ilagay dito at dapat nyo ilagay truthfully yung mga information here. So this is for employment if you're employed. And then next would be remittance if you're again receiving remittances from abroad. So from whom, gross monthly income, from which country, relationship, and then payout frequency. Next would be for freelancers. So kung anong industry, employer name or platform, job title, freelancing since, kung kailan ka nag-start, work email if any, gross monthly income, and then payout frequency as well. Last is if you own a business or you operate one. So industry, business name, active SINs, kung kailan ka nag-open ng business, operating cost per month, ito yung nagagastos mo on a monthly basis. So that includes electricity, water, rent, pasweldo, mga supplies na binibili. Gross monthly income, ito naman is yung total sales, total revenue nang hindi pa binabawas yung mga expenses. So, kunwari, kumita ka ng 200,000, 200,000 ilalagay mo dito bago pa ibawas yung renta, tubig, kuryente, pasweldo, supplies, at kung ano man miscellaneous na gagastusin. And then payout frequency. Okay, so after inputting those, then magkakaroon ka na ngayon ng available balance dito sa Bilis. So here, may kita nyo 6,000 available balance, zero use, and then 6,000 limit. And meron ditong mga opportunities for you to increase that balance. Kasi syempre, wala pa tayong sinabit na any proof of income or capacity, financial capacity na documents with Bilis. So kaya mababa pa lang yung available balance niya. Pero you can increase that by submitting more documents with Bilis. So now, we will log in sa aking Bilis account for you to see kung ano yung mga next steps that you can do to increase your limit. So this is my Bilis account. So kung makikita niyo dito, merong home, installments, and account. So if you go to account, for example, and go to employment, sabi niya dito, we have partnered with Smile to connect and verify your employment. Providing your current active employment data may allow us to adjust your credit limit better going forward. So, pwedeng i-link mo yung employment mo dito para at least they can have more confidence that you have your stable source of income. Also, pag dito pumunta tayo sa installments naman, sabi dito, get your installment. Congratulations, it's time to enjoy Bill Ease perks and features. So, click claim now. And then here, pupunta tayo dun sa almost similar na choices of employment, remittance, freelance, or business. Kasi dito sa step na to, i-upload nyo na yung proof of financial capacity. So for example, for employment, latest payslip required, sabi dito. So if we click that, ito yung mga kailangan. So again, employer, industry, job title, date of employment, work email, gross monthly income, payout frequency, and then if meron kang additional income source. Kapag naman remittance, let's click that. So again, same yung mga fields that I discussed a while ago. And then you can just click continue and see kung ano man yung i-ask nila na additional information. So for freelance, ito rin siya. And then for business, ito siya. So ang expectation is after updating and uploading the necessary documents to increase the confidence of BillEase to your payment capability, mag-i-increase din yung limit that you can sort of loan from BillEase. Kasi again, for Amaze Nation, our courses are 14,000 and 22,000 and up for other courses. So if you want to cover yung bulk or even full of that via installment, then you need to upload these needed documents na required ng BillEase. If not, then itong 6,000 can be of use sa inyo. Kasi for example, for advance na 14,897, then itong 6,000, pwede yung gawing installment and then 8,000 na lang, 8,000 plus yung pwede yung or kailangan yung bayaran upfront. So after successfully creating your BillEase account, then you can now go to amazenation.com para i-check out yung course na gusto mo. So I'll be sharing my screen para makita natin kung papaano. So first is again, you'll go to amazenation.com, our website, and then you can go to menu, go to courses, and then shop. So pag-click nyo ng shop, pupunta yan dito sa screen na to. And then you can click enroll now. And you can click the course na gusto nyo. Like for example, i-click natin yung advance, enroll now. So pupunta siya dito and then you can click enroll now. So it's been added to my cart. Make sure that you're logged in to your account when you check out. So dito, when you click on the cart, lalabas dito kung ano yung pinili nyo. So in this case, Amazon Seller VA Masterclass Advance. So if okay na kayo dito, then you can click proceed to checkout. After proceeding to checkout, then you need to input your information here. And you need to click here yung bank and other payment options kasi nandito yung Bilease. And then click I have read and agree to the website terms and conditions, and then click how would you like to pay. Then you will be redirected to this page ng payment.paynamics.net. So dito, magkakaroon ng request ID, tapos nandito yung mga information nyo, and then click proceed to payment. So when you click proceed to payment, you will receive an email that looks like this. It will be coming from no-reply@bilease.ph. You can pay your Amazon Nation Inc. order in 12 months. So kasi yun yung pinili ko na slider during the setup. So item purchase is 14,897 and then monthly payment for 12 months is 1,799 per month. So kapag ka-clinic or kinompute niyan, 1,799 times 12, that will be 21,588. Yes, meron pong interest as I shared a while ago because in life, either we are buying money or we are buying time. So, dahil hindi natin mabayaran for now yung 14,897 at babayaran nyo siya ng 1,799 instead, then it's automatic na magkakaroon ng interest. So, kahit na may sobrang interest na mga nasa around more than 6,000 pesos, imagine if you were able to take advantage already of the course. Hindi mo kailangan mag-shell out ng 15,000. Ang shell out mo lang 1,800. Tapos inaaral mo ng mabuti. Tapos nagkaroon ka na ng client. Yun ay magbabayad for the installment and you can even pay in full. So again, in life, we either pay using money or using time. So kaya this partnership with Bilease gives us that, yung time na hindi mo man kaya ngayon, pwede mo siyang ma-take advantage at pwede mo siyang makuha now na kahit wala kayo ng 4,897, kahit yung 1,799 lang. So that's the power of this partnership of Bilease and Amaze Nation. So going back to this, then i-click nyo lang yung login. After clicking login, then you will be redirected to bilease.ph na platform. And then from there, i-complete nyo na yung purchase. After completing the purchase, then you will have access already. You can already start yung inyong advanced na course, get all the skills required that you need, apply, land that client, earn from it, and voila, meron ka ng pambayad ngayon. Not just doon sa installment, but also for the full course. And even more, makakabili ka pa ng bagong laptop, makakabili ka pa ng more things na gusto mong bilhin just because you acted now. Because it was given as an opportunity with this partnership with Bilease and Amaze Nation. So I hope this video helped you kung paano mag-sign up, paano mag-check out using Bilease, at papaano na makapag-start ngayon at mabili ang isang course na hindi mo kaya now, pero makukuha mo na now through the power of installment with this partnership of Amaze Nation and Bilease.
So ngayon, baka meron ka mga tanong, kaya bibigyan kita ng konting FAQs or frequently asked questions. So una, ay Bilease, baka utang yan? So the answer is yes. Bilease is a good debt. So meron kasi tayong tinatawag na bad debt or yung masamang utang, tsaka good debt or yung magandang utang. Bakit natin sinasabi na good debt ang Bilease? Kasi imagine, uutang ka for you to learn that high income skill and in the process, invest on yourself at kumita ka using that high income skill. Imagine, nagbabayad ka pa ng installment sa Bilease, pero in the process, nakakuha ka na ng client, at yung binabayad sa'yo ng client, yun na yung magbabayad sa installment mo with Bilease. And more, syempre, na makakabili ka na sa laptop na gusto mo, makapag-upgrade ka, or even some gadgets to help you also in your productivity. So kaya siya, good debt. Next frequently asked question, ay, meron atang interest yan, lugi ako, mas malaki yung babayaran ko kaysa sa binigay sa akin. The answer is yes, dahil Bilease is also a business, so kailangan rin nilang kumita. At ang tawag doon sa interest is somehow covering their cost of money, kasi nagpahiram sila ng pera sa inyo, so dapat meron din sila makukuha in return, because again, they're a business. Pero sa inyo naman, you'll be able to take advantage of the opportunity na hindi mo na kailangan maghintay. Sabi nga nila, time is gold, di ba? So, mangyayari, makukuha mo na yung course, pwede mo na siyang pag-aralan, and earn in the process. So, it's a win-win for Bilease and also for you. And also a word of caution para lang to doon sa mga kaya talaga siyang bayaran. Syempre, ayaw naman natin na dumating yung time na hindi na tayo makapaghulog doon sa needed installment. So make sure that you can also set aside some portion of your income or yung ipon nyo, mapag-iipunin nyo talaga siya at makakapagbayad kayo doon sa needed installment for BillEase. Third question, legit ba tong BillEase? The answer is yes. So you can also do your own checks or your own due diligence. Check nyo kung talagang legit ba yan. So kung meron tayong mga reviews dyan na makikita from the internet. And also, pwede rin kayo magtanong sa mga circle nyo. Baka meron nakagamit ng BillEase. Kasi when I did my quick check sa internet, ang daming nagpapatunay na yes, legit itong BillEase. And of course, Amaze Nation will never partner with an organization na hindi legit. Next question, better bang mag-loan na lang sa bank? So there will be pros and cons. So ang masasabi lang namin is you can do your own checks and weigh kung ano ba yung better for you. So pwedeng tingnan mo kung ano yung service level agreement, kung gaano siya katagal, kung ano yung requirements, ano yung interest rates, at ano yung minimum required na i-loan. So those are just some of the FAQs. If you have other questions, feel free to comment here in our video para naman matulungan namin kayo with the answers. Hope this video helped you to learn how you can leverage on BillEase and have that high income skill with Amaze Nation. So if you found this video useful, please like and share. Follow us here in YouTube and follow us in all our social media platforms. So kompleto ho kami. Meron kaming Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. And also you can send us a message and also ask us questions on how you can take advantage and explore the opportunities of being a freelancer with Amaze Nation. Because here in Amaze Nation, we provide life-changing learning and extraordinary living.